Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, where did this belly come from? You haven't changed much in how you eat, but somehow that midsection keeps growing. Well, you're not alone, especially if you're over 50. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, natural, and doctor-approved drink that you can make at home, 1 glass a day, to help flatten your belly, balance your hormones, and restore your body's natural rhythm of fat burning. But before we get to that, it's important to understand why the belly fat appears in the first place. Because once you understand what's happening inside your body, you'll see how simple changes can truly transform your health. After the age of 50, something interesting happens in both men and women. The body becomes a little slower to respond to sugar. Insulin, the hormone that moves sugar from the blood into the cells, doesn't work as efficiently as it once did. It's a natural process, but lifestyle and stress can make it worse. And when that happens, your body starts storing more of that unused sugar as fat, especially around the belly. Now, the problem isn't just about appearance. Belly fat is not ordinary fat. It's metabolically active. It releases chemicals that cause inflammation, slow down metabolism, and make it even harder to lose weight. That's why many people say, no matter what I try, the belly won't go. Here's what I tell my students and patients. The key isn't starving yourself or going on another crash diet. It's about helping your body heal and balance itself naturally. When your hormones, liver, and digestive system work in harmony, your body knows what to do. It lets go of the excess. And that's where this daily drink comes in. It's not a quick fix or a detox miracle. It's a natural support for your body, a gentle way to reduce inflammation, balance blood sugar, and encourage the liver to process fat properly. But timing matters. The best time to take it is when your body is most ready to heal, and that's in the morning, on an empty stomach. Think of it as giving your body a clean slate for the day. It's like telling your system, we're starting fresh. Let's burn fat and build energy the right way today. You'll be amazed how much lighter and more energetic you feel, even within a week. And remember, this isn't just about losing belly fat. It's about improving digestion, sleeping better, and protecting your heart and brain from the effects of inflammation. So stay with me, because in the next part, I'll walk you through the exact ingredients, how they work, and why doctors are now confirming what natural healers have said for years, that healing starts with balance, and balance starts with what you put into your body. Now let's talk about this simple, powerful drink that can help melt away stubborn belly fat, not by forcing your body, but by supporting it in the way nature intended. You'll be surprised how easy it is. You don't need expensive powders, fancy machines, or complicated routines. All you need are a few humble ingredients that work together beautifully to reset your metabolism. Here's what you'll need. 1 glass of warm water, the juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of ground cinnamon, and if you like, a tiny bit of raw honey for taste. That's it. 5 simple ingredients, but together they create a synergy that supports the liver, balances blood sugar, and gently melts fat. Let's look at how this works. Warm water is more than just a carrier. When you drink something warm first thing in the morning, it wakes up your digestive system gently. Cold water shocks it, but warm water soothes and stimulates the natural movement of your intestines. It's like waking up your body with kindness. Next, lemon juice. Lemon is nature's gentle cleanser. It's rich in vitamin C, but more importantly, it helps the liver produce bile, and bile is the body's natural fat emulsifier. Without enough bile, fat stays stuck and unprocessed. So by supporting your liver with lemon, you're helping your body break down fat more effectively. Now, apple cider vinegar. I know this one has been talked about a lot, but when used correctly, it's a true gift. It helps lower blood sugar, improves insulin sensitivity, and enhances digestion. It also contains acetic acid, which signals your body to use fat for energy instead of storing it. Then we have cinnamon, that comforting spice we often associate with warmth and home. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and slows the emptying of your stomach, which means you feel fuller longer and avoid those mid-morning cravings. And finally, a touch of honey, not for sweetness, but for its healing enzymes. If you prefer, you can skip it, but a small amount of raw, unprocessed honey can add natural minerals that support gut health. When these ingredients come together, they do something extraordinary. They gently lower inflammation, wake up a sluggish liver, and improve insulin function. 3 of the main reasons belly fat clings on after 50. I always remind people this drink is not magic on its own. It's a tool, a daily act of self-care that helps your body remember how to heal itself. When you drink it consistently, especially in the morning before breakfast, you're giving your body the right message. It's time to release what's not needed anymore. In the next part, I'll show you how to pair this drink with daily timing, meal rhythm, and a few lifestyle habits that make all the difference, even without extreme diets or intense workouts, because it's not about doing more. It's about doing what works with your body, not against it. Now that you know how to make your morning drink, let's talk about when and how to use it. Because timing, my friends, is everything. You see, your body has its own beautiful rhythm, designed by nature. Every organ has a time when it's most active, your liver, your digestive system, even your metabolism. When you live in harmony with that rhythm, everything works more efficiently, including fat burning. That's why the best time to drink your glass is first thing in the morning, about 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. During the night, your liver works hard cleansing your blood and processing waste. When you wake up, it's ready to release what it's been working on, and that's the perfect moment to support it. Think of this drink as a morning flush, a way to gently tell your body, you can let go now. The warm water, lemon, and apple cider vinegar encourage bile flow, help clear toxins, and awaken your digestive system before food arrives. Then comes breakfast. Choose something simple, wholesome, and nourishing, perhaps oats, seeds, or fresh fruit. Avoid starting your day with processed or sugary foods, because that will spike your insulin and undo all the good your morning drink just did. And here's something most people overlook. Your eating window after 50, your metabolism slows not because your body is broken, but because your cells become less responsive to constant eating. Try to give your digestive system rest between meals. 3 balanced meals a day, with no snacks in between, works wonders. Why? Because when your body isn't busy digesting, it finally has time to burn stored fat for energy. This natural fasting window helps stabilize blood sugar, calm inflammation, and reduce belly fat, all without counting calories. Also, try to finish your dinner at least 3 hours before bed. Your body can't burn fat efficiently while you're sleeping if it's still digesting food. Give it time to rest, detoxify, and repair. And don't forget water. Many people confuse thirst for hunger. Keep a glass nearby and sip throughout the day. Hydration helps the liver metabolize fat and keeps your metabolism humming. Now, lifestyle matters too. You don't need a gym membership or a fancy plan, just move. Take a 20-minute walk after meals. It helps your muscles absorb sugar, so less ends up stored as fat. Gentle stretching, gardening, or a light evening stroll all count. These small steps, done consistently, create harmony in your body, and harmony is the foundation of healing. In the next part, I'll share how stress, sleep, and emotional balance play a hidden but powerful role in fat storage, and how to calm your body's stress hormones naturally so your belly can finally begin to shrink. Now, let's talk about something most people never connect with belly fat: stress. Yes, The way you think and feel every day has a direct impact on your waistline. You could be eating perfectly, drinking your morning glass faithfully, and walking after meals, yet still not see results if your stress levels are high. Here's why. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is designed to help in emergencies. It raises your blood sugar to give you quick energy. But when stress becomes a daily habit, that constant stream of cortisol signals your body to store more fat, especially around the belly. It's your body's way of protecting you, even though you don't need that protection anymore. That's why many people say, I gain weight even though I eat healthy. It's not the food, it's the body being stuck in survival mode. So how do we calm that system? By creating moments of stillness. You don't need to meditate for hours. Simply pause throughout your day. Take deep breaths, step outside, feel the sunshine, or listen to calming music. These small acts tell your brain, I'm safe. And when your brain feels safe, your body lets go. Another key piece is sleep. While you rest, your body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and burns fat. If you stay up too late or have poor sleep, your cortisol rises, your insulin becomes less sensitive, and your cravings increase. Try to go to bed around the same time each night, ideally before 10 p.m. That's when your body begins its natural detox and fat-burning cycles. And don't forget about joy. Joy is healing. Laughter lowers stress hormones and increases circulation. When you do what you love, spending time with family, gardening, reading, or simply walking barefoot on grass, your nervous system relaxes and healing accelerates. I often tell people, you cannot heal in the same environment that made you sick. That includes your inner environment, your thoughts, your worries, your pace of life. So make time for peace. Turn off screens an hour before bed. Breathe deeply before meals. Be present when you eat. These habits tell your body that it's safe to rest, digestion, and release stored fat. It's all connected. Your mind, your hormones, your metabolism. When one calms down, the others follow. In the next part, I'll bring everything together. The drink, the routine, the mindset, into a simple daily rhythm you can follow. You'll see how small, steady actions can completely transform your energy, your digestion, and yes, your belly too. Because true healing doesn't happen in a rush, it happens in rhythm. Now that you understand how your body works, the drink, the rhythm, the rest, let's bring it all together into a simple, powerful daily practice. Each morning before breakfast, begin your day with your warm, cleansing drink. Water, lemon, apple cider vinegar, a pinch of cinnamon, and a touch of raw honey if you wish. As you drink, don't rush, sip slowly, breathe deeply, and remind yourself that this is not a punishment. It's a blessing you're giving your body. Wait about 20 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast. Use that time to stretch gently, walk in the garden, or simply breathe fresh air. Allow your body to wake up fully before food arrives. You'll feel the difference in your energy and digestion. Then, throughout your day, eat 3 wholesome meals, no snacks. Choose foods that are alive: fruits, vegetables, seeds, legumes, herbs, and clean water. The simpler your meals, the more energy your body has for repair instead of constant digestion. Remember, every meal is information. It tells your body what to do next. Stay hydrated. A glass of water every hour or so keeps your liver working smoothly and your metabolism active. If you like, you can add a slice of cucumber or mint leaf for freshness. After each meal, take a light 10-20 minute walk. This one habit alone helps balance blood sugar, reduce bloating, and activate your muscles to use energy instead of storing it. As evening comes, keep your dinner light, maybe a bowl of soup, some steamed vegetables or lentils. Try to finish eating at least 3 hours before bedtime. This allows your body to focus on healing instead of digesting while you sleep. And before bed, take a quiet moment for gratitude. Reflect on your body not as an enemy, but as a faithful friend that has carried you through life. Speak kindly to it. Healing responds to kindness. Over time, you'll notice something special. Your belly begins to soften, your digestion improves, your mind feels calmer, and your energy returns. This isn't just fat loss, it's renewal. And remember, the goal isn't perfection. Some days will be better than others, and that's all right. What matters is consistency. Healing doesn't happen overnight. It happens every time you choose balance over hurry, peace over stress, nourishment over neglect. So please, start with that one glass each morning, one simple, loving habit that can change everything. You'll not only lose the belly fat, but you'll regain something far more important: your confidence, your clarity, and your natural vitality. Because when you care for your body with wisdom, it responds with grace.